Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. Today I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough through our 2020 Crest Classic 240 pontoon boat. It is actually a tri-tune boat. This one just came in. As you can see, it's in a new color scheme for us with the white and the light blue. I think it makes a very attractive package. This is a 24-footer. It's actually about 25 foot in real life. Back on the back is a 250 horsepower Mercury engine. It'll really make this boat move well. So you can see this one is set up in the L-shaped sheeting, which is two large couches in the bow. Nice comfortable captain's helm. And a big L-shaped lounger in the back with a sun pad for laying out and a storage bin in the corner. Here on the helm, you've got a full suite of gauges with a Bluetooth stereo, Lowrance GPS fish finder, digital throttle, captain's cooled cup holder, adjustable steering, which is a pretty quick boat, so do about 40 miles an hour. This is a power bimini on this boat, so don't have to fiddle with it. If you want to lower it real easily, it just goes by the touch of a button. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this brief walkthrough. If you'd like to see this boat or learn more about it, just give us a call at MarineMax here in Cumming at 770-781-9370. Thank you very much.